When it comes to roofing, Premier Roofing and Contracting has you covered across San Antonio, Boerne, Spring Branch, and Schertz. Whether you need a quick roof inspection, leak repair, or a complete roof replacement, our experienced team handles both residential and commercial roofing services. Worried about roof maintenance or figuring out when it's time for a new roof installation? Relax. We'll guide you through every step, keeping your home or business protected year-round. For reliable roofing service you can trust, call Premier Roofing and Contracting today for more info.